need to connect DSPy to a powerful language model in seconds. You'll see how to import DSPy, initialize a Databricks-hosted Llama 370B model, and set it as your default LM, all with just 3 lines of clean, straightforward code.
Import DSPy. LM equals DSPy. LM, Databricks/Databricks Meta Llama 3-1-70B instruct. DSPy, configure LM equals LM.
This demonstrates DSPy's language model initialization pattern, where you explicitly create and register a specific model instance. The code establishes a clear 2-step process, first constructing the language model with a provider-specific identifier, then making that configuration active through a dedicated setup call. What makes this pattern distinctive is its explicit nature. The model selection becomes an intentional, visible operation rather than an implicit default. The approach works through direct instantiation and registration. The LM constructor takes a standardized string format combining both vendor and model name, while the configure call activates this selection for the current execution context. This creates a straightforward, declarative style where the model choice is stated upfront in the code, without any hidden dependencies or complex setup procedures. This pattern matters because it makes the program's language model dependency explicit and visible from the very beginning. By requiring this intentional setup step, the code clearly communicates which specific model it will use, right at the start of execution. The approach eliminates ambiguity about model selection and provides a single, obvious location where this fundamental configuration occurs. Let's break it down line by line.
Import DSPy.
Imports DSPy, the core library for programmatic language model interactions. This single import is required before any DSPy functionality can be used.
LM equals DSPy. LM, Databricks/Databricks Meta Llama 3-1-70B instruct.
This instantiates a DSPy language model wrapper for the specified hosted model. The identifier, Databricks/Databricks Meta Llama 3-1-70B instruct, selects the exact pre-trained model to interface with.
DSPy, configure LM equals LM.
This sets the previously initialized language model as DSPy's active backend. All subsequent DSPy operations will use this configured model instance. DSPy LM initialization. This code creates a language model instance with DSPy. LM, using a specific model string, then binds it globally via DSPy. Configure. The model string format combines provider and model name in a single path-like identifier. This 2-step pattern is required before any other DSPy operations can execute.
The base that points to no address serves every endpoint.